Over here, boy.
All my horses fled. I was delivering supplies to a weaponsmith.
What kind of weapons does he make?
Spears, I think. At least he did before the Oni raiders took over his forge. We made it. Here is your pay.
Keep a few coins. Buy Daichi and Umi some feed.
I'll do that. Thank you.
Go, Mochizuki.
Hey, stranger! Is that blade for hire?
What are you yelling about?
I'm a woodcarver. The Oni raiders took all my merchandise. I hired these Ronin to take it back, but a third blade wouldn't hurt.
This blade charges by the head.
When the raiders are dead, my Mon will flow again, and you be richly rewarded. Now, let's mount up. Follow me. The Oni demons aren't far.
Hey, boy.
You didn't need to hire a third.
Strength in numbers.
More like splitting the reward 3 ways.
Afraid of a little competition?
They said they'd burn me on a pyre if I didn't hand over my merchandise.
What are you selling?
Handmade crafts.
You have us fighting over trinkets?
They're more precious than you know.
The coin better be good.
They're camped just up this hill.
How many?
2 of them.
That's all? You didn't need to hire the woman.
I hope you're as confident with a blade as you are with words.
This'll be quick work.
Raider thieves! Hand over my merchandise! Here they come.
Woodcarver! What is this junk you are peddling?
Artisanal treasures!
More like kindling. You said only 2 raiders.
I wanted to give you some hope.
I'm not trying for trinkets!
You're on your own.
Guess I'm getting paid triple.
You will get the kid.
I hope they didn't burn all my dolls. There are still a few left.
You took a big risk for toys.
They're much more than toys. These are kokeshi dolls. They bring good fortune and bountiful harvests.
I suppose every little bit of hope helps.
It does. For the children. I made them so they'd have something to smile about in hard times.
Then they were worth the risk. This land is hard on everyone, especially children.
That it is, stranger. Here's what I owe you. Triple the pay.
Safe travels, Woodcarver.